Well, the Bank of Canada's latest rate decision is coming down this morning. And for more on that, let's bring in Business in Vancouver's Tyler Orton. Good morning, Tyler. So what can we expect in this decision?
I would go and look back at what Bank of Canada Governor Tiff Macklem said in July, where he wanted to reassure investors as well as the business community that they would be keeping rates low for the foreseeable future until we're in economic recovery. Not much has changed since then. So by keeping it low, you're going to be making it cheaper to borrow money and get investment going on in the economy. That includes everything from mortgage rates, interest rates for business loans, and the value of the loonie. We'll expect it to stay at 0.25%, but experts are going to be paying attention to the wording around Macklem's announcement coming down the pike in just a few moments. So keep our eyes on that for sure.
We will indeed. All right, let's shift gears now because BC firms seem to be defying a national trend here. Why is venture capital investment seeing a sharp increase on the West Coast?
It's interesting if you think about the sources of income coming through right now over the first half of 2020 versus the first half of 2019. If we look at the data, we see that it is up in British Columbia 31% to $553 million compared with Canada as a whole, where it's actually down 11%. We're talking about venture capital here, and for big provinces like Ontario and Quebec, they rely far more on domestic investors. In the case of Ontario, about 59%, and Quebec, 85% of these venture capitalist investments, they're coming from Canadian investors. British Columbia, though, more than 51% of its investments so far this year, it's coming from American investors. These investors, they're not known to be as risk averse as Canadian investors. So if the investment is going down nationwide, it benefits British Columbia to have a more diversified pool going on right now. So look, big wins for, say, a lot of technology companies, especially getting a lot of this venture capital here on the West Coast.
All right, good to hear, at least for the west side of the country. Thanks very much for that. That is Business in Vancouver's Tyler Orton. Tyler, thanks so much.
Thank you, Neetu.